Ryan drops back pass, instant pressure. Oh! Good screen, gives him a couple. Finally moving the ball. About a minute and 27 seconds left in the third quarter. Ryan throws in the flash, it's caught by Kenny. He takes it upfield, makes the first person miss. First and 10. Ryan rolls out. Good run for Ryan, about
that's my grandson.
8-yard gain. The second. Alright, it's 4th and goal from the 8-yard line. Ryan drops back to pass. Throws. And it is a touchdown. Ryan on the fake punt, he rolls out to the left.
All right!
Stay focused.
Oh yeah. Touchdown.
And he runs in for the score! Ryan with the going one way and then going back the other way for the touchdown.